This is an unpackaging of a VZ-58. I purchased this on Gunbroker. It is put together by Southern Tactical out of Virginia or West Virginia. I had to double check on that, but anyway, it's easy to find online. You got there's the manufacturer, 7.62 by 39 millimeter. Comes with a divided leather pouch. Comes with 4 magazines. Looks like one needs to be put back together. Comes with a leather pouch. That's really cool. Comes with this gun case. And there we have it. The VZ-58. I got it for around $1,300. Obviously it looks like an AK, but the mechanisms and how it actually works is quite a bit different. So outside of appearance and the fact that it shoots similar type of ammo, and I do have some ammo. I picked up some wolf ammo. So I'm looking forward to taking this out and giving it a few shots. Anyway, that was the unpackaging of my latest rifle, the VZ-58. Again, it comes with 4 magazines and a pouch. I purchased it on Gunbroker, so that's where you're heading. Take a look at that. Again, it looks like an AK-47, but it is not. Anyway, I look forward to making a video or two with this. Take care. Bye.